To adjust system volume played by your Galaxy Watch from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable apps, and then tap it. Next, tap watch setting, tap sound and vibration, tap volume, and then slide the volume adjustment bar below system to the right to get a louder system sound. Or you can slide it to the left to get a quieter system sound. Tap the back key. By adjusting the system volume, your Galaxy Watch will play the system sound at the predefined volume level for system sound you allow. As the example, touch interaction, charging, changing the sound mode, Samsung keyboard, phone keypad, volume gauge, and low battery notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.